Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set VLC Media Player as your default media player in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. Okay. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So here, if your window doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see the review by. Click this down arrow icon and go with large icons. Once you have set it, please locate for the option called the default programs. Okay, I can see it here being placed at the first row next to autoplay. All you need to do is you need to click on it. The moment you do it, you would be redirected to the settings. Okay, so you would be able to see the default apps here where you can see two search bars. So all you need to do is you need to proceed with set defaults for application. And from here, type for VLC Media Player. So a result would appear. Click this forward arrow and eventually you would be able to set default file types or link types for VLC Media Player. So if you would like to set your VLC Media Player as your default media player for this .3GP, just click on this forward arrow and just select the VLC Media Player. Okay, you can select it. Okay, and in my case, I want to set the VLC Media Player for .mp4. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down. You can see it here. Click this forward arrow. Okay. This is for M4A rather. So go with VLC Media Player and go with set default. And it will be set here. So you can also scroll down and locate for MP4. In my case, it is already being selected here. Okay. So as my default. So MP4, that's it. Okay, so once you're good, you can now close the window as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on setting your VLC media player as your default media player in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.